most effectively. Without right understanding, we cannot determine our exact requirement of physical faculties. Therefore, we have, in spite of accumulation of physical faculty, we feel that we don't have entho physical faculties. This include the physio- physiologic needs of individuals and indicates the necessary as well as comforts of life. It means the feeling of having or being able to have more physical facilities that is needed. Relationship. In order to solve the issue in human relationships, we need to understand them first, and we should come from right understanding of relationship. Similarly, in order to professors and enrich nature, we need to have the right understanding. The right understanding will enable us to work out our requirements for physical facilities. The topic, the animal consciousness, we have animal consciousness. The topic made a how some key point, ma'am. One must compare and contrast the consciousness of human and animals, and the intent of the question is appreciated to superiority of human consciousnesses. A brain expresses things with the help of our respective models simulated more or less intensely according to the information that reaches it from outside on the one hand, and that it generated in on the other hand. Animals have different concepts of animals across couriers for most mental functions, but more elaborate some special some specific points. They all have a language less verbose of course than that of humans, but which nevertheless allows them to exchange essentially information for their species. For example, the dog consequently expresses a palette of olfa- all olfactory representation probably as rich as range our own vision images. The human consciousness for human consciousness, physical faculty is necessary but not complete. Consciousness happiness can be achieved from right understanding and relationship with humans. To allow all the right understanding relationship with humans and physical faculties is known as human consciousness. This topic is conclude by reassuring the significance of consciousness in one's life. Thank you, ma'am. Give a